In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize deal pipelines in Hubspot. Whether you're a sales manager aiming to streamline your process or a small business owner trying to get the most out of HubSpot, understanding how to manage your deal pipelines is crucial for success. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's get on HubSpot's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage featuring a variety of business tools HubSpot offers. Now look toward the upper right corner of the screen for the login button and click on it to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. After logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home dashboard. Here, you'll find various tools at your disposal. Our focus today, however, is on managing our CRM settings, specifically the deal pipelines. So next, locate and click on the CRM in your main navigation menu. This section is where you manage your customer relationships and the associated data. Once you've clicked on CRM, you should see a section labeled Deals. Click on this to navigate to where all your current deals are listed. This page provides a snapshot of all the deals your business is currently working on and their status in the sales cycle. Now, to adjust the settings for how these deals are organized and move through your pipeline, find and click the settings icon in the top right of the deals page. Once you are in the settings, look for the section labeled Pipelines. Clicking on this will bring you into the detailed management area for your deal pipelines. Here, you're given the flexibility to organize, create, and edit different pipeline stages to better fit your business's sales process. Select Deals Pipeline to get started. By doing so, you'll be able to view and arrange all the stages your deals go through from beginning to end. It's important to tailor these stages to match your unique sales journey, ensuring that your team can track progress effectively. Remember, customizing your pipeline to reflect your sales strategy can drastically improve efficiency. Take your time here to rename stages, add new ones, or adjust the order in which they appear to mirror the flow of your sales operations. There you have it. By following these steps, you can create a well-organized and customized pipeline in HubSpot that aligns perfectly with your business practices. As you grow more comfortable navigating these settings, don't hesitate to refine them further to optimize your workflow. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Stay tuned for more HubSpot tips and tricks to help your business thrive. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.